Humihina oh.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel.
Malaki basta mo.
Malaki daw.
Umiinit na.
Hello guys. Hello. Come here, come here. Okay, today we're gonna continue building this house. Mamar, get some reinforcement, like a bed, because we only have one bed. Tonight.
I need one more.
And I'm listening
I
to
got
music.
some more glass.
Yeah.
It's in my chest.
I'm gonna continue building this.
Hey, night. Oh.
Marlo. We have been parents by trees.
Oh, trees. Honorable building. Ito, anuhin mo yung difficulty.
Oh my god.
Difficulty 2.
But we just go to difficulty 2 and we almost died.
Language.
And I haven't uploaded the videos that we have captured. Pardon me.
Wow, I am level 9.
I'm level 5.
Oh, chiki chiki. Oh, chiki chiki. Oh, chiki 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 chiki. I just want a sheep.
Huh?
I just want a sheep.
Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Kill
Bye
it.
bye sheep.
There's too much ad.
There we go.
Oh my god. I keep getting sad songs because I chose sad songs to listen at.
Lanay.
Of course. Hold on na.
Hold on.
Yes. Gusto mo lakasan ko pa?
Yeah. This. Oh, hey there.
Oh, is that a ship? No, that's Shalimar.
Teka lang dyan. But first, I'm gonna...
I have 20. What? How did I get... I'm confused. We need more of this because we're gonna run out.
I have some...
You lock
I have some
yourself in the bathroom.
I have some oak wood then. That's only 3. Here.
Can you hear me screaming? Please don't leave me. Hold on, I still need you. Okay, we're not out. So, oh my god.
Here.
Militax.
I have some...
And kill Jellimar jokes.
I have some this. There. There. Dang, wrong! Oh my god.
Oh, there?
Yeah.
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
How much? Oh, you only have 6.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get one.
Oh, oak sapling.
Oh,
I need 2 oak saplings.
but help me build the house.
I got 2 oak saplings. And now I got...
I don't know.
Oh! I got 3. I just saw another sheep. By sheep. We need your wool again.
Jellimar's taking the shit for him.
There we go.
Because we only have 1 bed in the house.
Yeah. And now I can have
A.
for you. Here, I am gonna make some oak wood planks.
Where's the pleasure plate? Where's the pleasure created?
Oh, here.
Oh my god, Jellimar.
Eh, kasi you drop it.
I need one more. Oh, sorry. I was getting to the Marlock. If we go to the house, we don't have to get it because there's here.
Then,
Oh, sorry again.
oh yeah, and here's some oak wood planks. I have 17 oak
I never
wood
did that
planks.
so much.
Dang,
Hmm?
oak wood planks.
Still no one. Guess the
What are you
sound.
doing?
Oh, I need those oak wood planks. That was a good one. I bet. Mar, I'm gonna land on the bed. Look. That takes not much damage, but I think I was gonna bounce, but whatever. Thank you so much, Ad.
Then, oh,
Sleep.
I'm gonna
Oops.
Hey,
Okay. Did you take damage?
yeah.
What?
I mean, no.
What? I didn't know you can take damage.
I am gonna pay back
This
it.
bed is occupied. Now this is our spawn set if we died. But our bed is supposed to be right here. Too late. If we're done building the house. I'm like charging my phone now.
I have a lot of coal.
Why though? Because I gave you. Oh my god. Where's the glass? We need glass.
In my chest.
Oh there.
I don't have any glass here. I have, ako ay meron akong star apple. Star apple.
Okay, so I'm gonna add some glass. Oh my god. I thought I was gonna. How do I literally put this? This is oh my god. Oh, there.
What? I'm so... Okay, kasi naman ko. I'm so confused.
Mama.
One more
One
sand.
more. One more.
Here I am gonna find the sand.
I forgot to
What is that? Oh no. I can't see sand. No,
There's some sand.
that's a bit. Do you have any sand?
No. Why?
Because we need sand. You're not bad at building.
I'm bad at building.
Oh. Oh, the moose.
Do you guys remember my first video? The one like I guys show you my building section and you guys saw my bedroom. Creeper. I'm thankful that I have so many views.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I was lagging, sorry. I'm not a pig.
Yes, you are.
Comment down below if I'm a pig.
In
no.
Craftsman. You're a piggy in Craftsman.
Even though
I have a lot of chicken right now. I got 4 chicken.
why do I break a glass?
I don't know. A shear? There's a skeleton in the. There's a skeleton.
I'm hungry.
I'm not hungry.
I'm hungry.
I have some
Oh,
bones.
wait. You get the food that I cooked!
Oh, here.
Girl.
Here, food.
That's why I'm hungry. Now I remember.
Oh. You
Give me.
have a.
Now it's 13. This color. Oh my god! Be careful with those creepers! Where are you right now?
I am outside the house.
I see you. I see your nickname. Oh god. Why won't you repair this?
No.
Well, I am one because sometimes nung nagano ako, kasi lang may nagano ako, difficulty to ha.
Pasok bukas.
Difficulty to ha, nung nasa may first year ako. Tapos inaayos ko kasi yung ano, kasi nga nandun na ano, kasi merong nag-blow up ako. Pagkatalikod ko, meron ulit creeper. Tell me how you feel. It's now build.
I have something bone. Would you like some bone meal?
Yes.